I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I want to silver solder these 1/4-28 threads on the end of this left hand 1/4-20. To do that, I need to get these cleaned up, put some of this Stay-Sil flux on there, and then put Stay-Sil 45 silver solder on them. That'll hold them steady. But first I'm going to get the oxide off. I think a wire brush probably is the best thing.
Don't forget to put your stuff on.
Well, I was at Walmart the other day and I ran across these in an aisle. We used to call these popsicle sticks, but I think this one's bigger than a popsicle. And it's almost the size of a tongue depressor. Not that I would go to the doctor if he went to Walmart to get his tongue depressors, but you know, same idea. So I'm going to take the Stay-Sil, which is a dry chemical mixed with water, and I'm going to stir it up a bit. Because the top part of it tends to dry out just a little. And I think I need to add just a little bit of water to this. Doesn't take much. Just enough so it'll flow. Just going to take a little bit of this, and it's good too because this is expensive stuff. Put a little flux on the end of the silver solder and then close the package back up, because even though you can stir this back up and make it work again, and I only use it about once a year, it's nice to have the stuff kept clean and neat. Okay, I got it up to red. And just a little bit of silver solder. I don't think I used 1/8 of an inch. Same thing on this side. Silver solder is different than braze. Braze is a higher temperature material, and silver solder flows at a lot lower temperature. So I made this a good strong mechanical joint by putting a tenon on the end of the left hand thread, just so that it fit into the hex key socket on the end of the set screw. That way I had a good mechanical joint. Then by flowing the silver solder in there, it wicks up into the hole and fills the gap between the set screw and the left hand thread, making it a solid bond. Now I gotta let that cool off. And we'll be ready to go. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.